Hi there. Hey, this is Module 3, Lesson 14. You've just done your mid-module, so hopefully that went well. Or you did a Topic B test, quiz. So we're moving on to ordered pairs. And I don't know, this is one of my favorite things to do in math is plotting points. It reminds me of playing Battleship. So you're actually using the ordered pair to describe a location on a plane or a coordinate. So we'll take a look at the coordinate graph too in just a sec. So we're starting out, it says the order in ordered pairs, the first number of an ordered pair is called the, and I'm going to write it in here, the first coordinate. If I can find my pen here. The first coordinate. Okay, and then guess what? The second number of an ordered pair is called the second coordinate. That was not too challenging. Okay, got that down. Okay, so then it says, describe how the ordered pair is being used in your scenario. Indicate what defines the first coordinate and what defines the second coordinate in your scenario. So there are some scenarios. For example, the seats in this college football stadium are arranged in 210 sections with 144 seats in each section. Your ticket to the game indicates the location of your seat using the ordered pair of numbers. And I'm just going to do the example. This is saying 123, and then the comma separates those two numbers, right? Describe the meaning of each number in that ordered pair and how do you use those to find your seat. Well, and then there's also an airline pilot and different degrees of your longitude and flight, prime meridian, your latitude. So there's another way to use kind of ordered pair in describing your location. Or if you're in a school building and you've got an ordered pair on the number of the floor in which the room lies, followed by a sequential number of the rooms on that floor. So anyway, okay. So going back to the first scenario, we were looking at, what did I just say? We were doing the seats in a college stadium in 210 sections with 144 seats in each section. So the 123 is the section that you're in, and then number 37 is the seat in that section. Just so that we're understanding in this scenario, each number has it's an ordered pair that corresponds to a particular section and then a particular seat. Okay, that's enough on that one. So then let's go to the next page here where we are looking, and this is going to help us, with the positive, negative numbers that we've been working on. So the first coordinates of the ordered pair represent the numbers on the line labeled X. So this is X right here. The second coordinate, the second number in the ordered pair, is on the Y axis. Okay, so it says name the letter from the grid below that corresponds with each ordered pair of numbers below. So if I go over 1, up 4, I end up at F. If I go 0, I don't move, and I go up to 5, I'm at A. And then if I go over to 4, up 1, I'm at B. D happens to be at 8.5, and then I go up to 8, I end up at L. And over 5, up, down, I'm going to go down -2. Look at, I'm at G, that's fun. How about over 5, up 4 and 2/10, I'm going to be at H. How about over 2, down 1 is C, and then 0, and I go all the way up to 9, and I am at E. Okay, that was fun. That was getting us warmed up. And all of those are point A, point L, point H, but I just wrote the corresponding letter. Okay, then we're looking at the ordered pair of numbers that correspond with each letter from the grid below. So now we get to write the ordered pair. So point M is over 5 up 7. So I'm going to write 5, comma, 7. B, let's see, is point S. So I have to first find it. I'm over this way, -2 and up 3. So -2 up 3. How about N? I am over 6 up nothing. So that means 6 and 0. Got it. How about T? I'm over -3 up, over -3 up 2. How about P? It says I'm at 0 and then I go up 6. So 0 up 6. That's the reverse of C. How about U? It says I'm over 7 up 5. Over 7 and up 5. And then let's look at the next one. I'm just going to see if I can't move that up. Okay, Q is over 2 up 3. Over 2 up 3. And V is over, okay, it's -1. And then I have to go up to 6. Got it. How about R? 0 and I'm up 3. 0 and I move up 3. Okay, that's not too bad. That was a good warm-up. Okay, so then let's see. Are we ready for, oh my gosh, it's like we're ready to go over the practice, and then the exit ticket, I don't think you'll have a problem. Actually, I think it'll be kind of fun. And then we'll do the problem set. Fantastic. Fun, fun, fun.